Let's make the coziest and easiest soup this winter. Chicken soup with pasta and vegetables. This soup reminds us of our childhood. Very warming and cozy and very delicious. Start by cooking some chicken breast in hot boiling water. Remove the foam from the top. Now add the seasonings or aromatics that you want. Add some olive oil, cover it and leave it on medium heat until it's fully cooked. Meanwhile, let's prepare the vegetables. Wash the vegetables very well and start cutting it. I'm cutting it in smaller pieces, it's easier to be done and it's more delicious. The same goes for zucchini, cut it like this, and you can use any type of vegetable you have. I will cut only one potato because we will add the pasta later. This will balance the starchy ingredients in this recipe. Vegetables are ready, and as I told you, you can use any type of vegetables you have. In a big pot, put some olive oil and add the vegetables. Four crushed garlic cloves, half a teaspoon of allspice, cumin, black pepper, curry and turmeric. If you don't have one type of these spices, don't worry, you can substitute it by any spice you like. Now I will add 5 cups of chicken broth. You need in total 8 cups, so I will add 3 cups of water. Now we will cover it and we will leave the ingredients to cook on medium heat. Leave it until it's almost done. We want to add the pasta, so we don't want the vegetables to be fully done and overcooked. When it's almost done like this, add 1 cup of any type of pasta you want. Add the chicken that we boiled earlier. And now we will leave it to cook until the pasta is fully done and the vegetables also are cooked. Now all the ingredients are cooked. You can see the pasta, it's fully cooked. Now you have to taste and adjust the salt and spices as you want. I love to add 1 tablespoon of flour and water to this mix so it makes the soup thicker. It's optional. And before serving, I add some parsley. It tastes very delicious with the soup. You can see how this recipe is very easy. The soup is done and you can serve it. And of course, don't forget to put extra lemon on it. صحتين وهنا.